Okay, we're at Dunamis mining, and what you see here are the racks where the machines are going to go. This will be kind of they're going to have this wrapped up pretty quickly. The second story up there, the higher part of the racks, is going to have a couple of rows of 220 for some of the different machines that they're going to have. Don't know anything about those yet. These guys are doing the wiring tonight. I'll walk over here and we'll get a picture of these mining machines that are working here. They're here for a sample. Big warehouse, and we're not going to use most of this. I don't know whether they're going to rent some of this out for something else or storage or whatever they're going to do, but they're going to park cars in here for some of the seminars they have. For those of us that are in the upper level, for those who get in that level, they'll have valet parking for those people. They'll come in that door there and park some cars in here. So quite a deal. Looks like anybody who wants to get involved in this is the ground floor. They're just building this out, and we'll go up another couple of weeks to, or actually another 4 weeks, to Pine Top to see the facility up there.